We're gonna put some coconut oil in here first, okay? You could use butter if you wanted to, whatever you like, okay? All right, we got 6 eggs going in just like that, okay? We're gonna go ahead and crack each of those yolks. Go ahead and start stirring that up. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the best scrambled eggs of your life. All right, so easy. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get that scrambled, and the key to making these eggs right now is you're gonna want to cook them very slow. Do not cook them on high. Do not cook them on medium. A medium low will be good. It's gonna depend on your burner size. I've got a little burner right here. So I'm gonna start off with medium low. If it starts cooking real fast, you just turn that baby down, okay? All right, so we're just gonna keep scrambling it, and you also wanna keep stirring the whole time. All right, now, you know, you're not gonna get in here and make your eggs in 2 or 3 minutes, y'all, okay? If you really want them to taste delicious, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Might take 5 to 7 minutes, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep stirring just like this. I'll be back in a couple minutes. All right, it's been a couple minutes, and as you can see, we're starting to get these eggs kind of cooked. As they're cooking, I'm just taking my spatula and moving it around, y'all. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so delicious. So delicious. Keep on stirring, y'all. That is gonna be the key. Your family is gonna love this. Look at that. All right, y'all. Just keep doing that. If it seems to be cooking and your eggs are getting thicker than you want, you go ahead and just take that and turn that down a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start turning that down. See how that was just cooking real fast. So that's a little bit too fast for me. Break up those clumps, just like that. Keep going. Okay. All right, I'm gonna keep doing this. And then we got a couple more things we're gonna add, so stick with me, y'all. All right, this is gonna be the best eggs of your life. All right, so we come about right here. Then what I'm gonna add, oh, I'm getting a little nervous stopping. Really need 2 hands for this, okay? I don't like, all right, I'm gonna make sure that's on super low. All right, I don't want these eggs burning. Okay, so then I'm gonna take some half and half, and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of half and half. 1, 2, okay? And we're gonna incorporate that in, okay? Ooh, nice and creamy. Yo, y'all, oh my gosh. Such a good breakfast right here, y'all. I'm telling you, this will keep you sustained for a long time. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and keep cooking that up. Look how nice and creamy that is. Okay, so we incorporated all that half and half in, and you can see it's all cooked in and looks just like this. You want your eggs to be moist. You want to turn off that heat before they are done, and then remove it. Oh, is that gonna be hot? All right, look at that. All right, so the last thing that you want to do is go ahead and get you about a tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna add that in. And then we're gonna get this all plated up. All right, let's taste these amazing scrambled eggs. So we got that eggs, we cooked them really slow, added some half and half in there, and some butter. All right, let's taste this. Oh yeah, subscribe for more recipes.